Okay, so let us today start with our question number 1. Hari is having his head office at Mumbai and branch of it at Nasik. Okay, so HO is Mumbai and branch is Nasik. Prepare a branch account in the books of HO, okay, the data system, from the following transactions with branch. So the opening balance of petty cash, stock, and datas is given to you, and similarly, the closing balance of branch, petty cash, data, stock is given to you. ठीक है? हाँ. In between, you have the transactions, goods supplied to branch during the year, amount remitted by the branch as cash sales and realization from datas, amount remitted to the branch, petty cash, salary, and rent and taxes. Okay, so what we are going to first do is we are going to prepare a branch account. Okay, so let us prepare a branch account. Do it along with me. Okay, so write down what is the name of the branch? Nasik branch account you will write. Okay, Nasik branch account. Okay, in the books of HO. और HO कहाँ है? मुंबई. ठीक है. Particulars, amount. Particulars, amount. Okay, so to start with opening balance of assets. So what do we have in opening balance of assets? We have petty cash 1000, stock 39,500, petty cash 1000, stock 39,500, and datas 21,000. Datas 21,000. Okay, you can take it in inner column and show the total in the outer column. That is also correct. Then closing balance. So by closing balance of asset, the same petty cash. Then we have stock and we have datas. Okay, so petty cash is 950, 950. Stock is 26,500 and datas is 53,000. ठीक है, समझ में आया? Okay, and one thing remember students, जितना आइटम्स आपका क्लोजिंग में होगा उतना ही आइटम्स आपके जितना आइटम्स आपके ओपनिंग बैलेंस में होगा, ओपनिंग बैलेंस ऑफ एसेट्स, उतने ही आइटम्स आपके क्लोजिंग बैलेंस ऑफ एसेट्स में भी होगा. ओके, ऐसा नहीं है इन ओपनिंग बैलेंस यू विल हैव 3 आइटम्स एंड क्लोजिंग में यू विल हैव 5. नो, यू विल हैव द सेम नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स. इफ एनीथिंग इज मिसिंग दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड दैट मिसिंग फिगर. ओके, क्लियर? अब जैसे अगर इधर क्लोज ओपनिंग स्टॉक दिया है 39,500, इफ इन द क्वेश्चन they don't give you closing stock, so we have to find them. ओके, क्लियर, समझ में आया? Okay. Now let us go to the transactions that we had done. Yeah, goods supplied to branch during the year. Okay, so who has given these goods? You have to think from whose point of view? You have to think from HO's point of view. Okay, तो हम in the books of HO बना रहे मुंबई. Okay, we are making नासिक branch account. तो मुंबई के लिए तो goods are going out and नासिक के लिए goods are coming in. Okay, fine. So what will be the journal entry? Branch account debit या नासिक branch account debit to GSTB. Correct. Branch account debit to GSTB. We have done journal entries, right? So Nasik branch account debit to GSTB account. Goods sent to branch account. Okay. How much? 3,10,000. Is this clear to everyone? समझ में आ रहा है? Okay. Next. Amount remitted by branch. Amount remitted by the branch. Okay. So that means amount means cash. Remitted means given. So branch has given money. तो who is the receiver? Obviously HO के पास पैसा जाएगा. Yeah. So HO अपने books में क्या लिखेगा? Cash bank account debit to who is the giver? Branch is the giver. तो cash bank account debit to branch account. Cash bank account debit to branch account. So I'm going to write it here by cash bank. Okay, write down what is the reason. Cash sales 1,13,000. Cash sales 1,13,000. And next is realization from debtors 2,30,300. 2,30,300. Realization from debtors matlab collection from debtors, and it is also known as receive from debtors. I'll use this word, collection from debtors. Am I clear about this? Are you getting clear with the journal entries and the posting? Okay, think from HO's point of view. किसके पास आ रहा है, किसके पास जा रहा है. ठीक है. Next, amount remitted to the branch. Okay, yeah, amounts remitted to branch. Okay, what does this mean? Remittance means to give. Now who's giving? Now HO is giving money to the branch. Now who's the receiver? Branch is the receiver. लेकिन HO के point of view से सोचो, HO के point of view से तो उसके पास से कैश बाहर जा रहा है. करेक्ट. तो ये क्या लिखेगा जर्नल एंट्री? या ब्रांच अकाउंट डेबिट टू, branch account debit to cash bank. Okay, branch account debit to cash bank for all the three items. So write down branch account debit to cash bank. Okay, and cash bank के अंडर में what you will write first? Petty cash expense. Petty cash expense 4,000. Next, salaries 12,000. So why did branch receive money from HO? HO ने ब्रांच को पैसा किस खुशी में दिया? ऑब्वियसली ये एक्सपेंसेस पे करने के लिए. ओके, सैलरी पे करने के लिए 12,000 सैलरी का, पेटी कैश एक्सपेंस पे करने के लिए 4,000 एंड रेंट एंड टैक्सेस के लिए 3,500. ओके, इज दिस क्लियर? So the sum is completed now. Okay, opening entries was there, closing entry was there. So opening balance, closing balance of asset I have already transferred. Then there were three transactions. Pehla, goods supplied to branch. Okay, during the year. So who has done this? HO has done this. Then amount remitted by the branch. Obviously अब branch पैसा क्यों देगा? HO को देगा. क्यों? Because उसने branch में sales किया होगा. क्रेडिट सेल्स का पैसा आया होगा, तो ऑल दैट मनी विल गो टू whom? It will go back to the head office. Okay. Yeah, Rachit, wait. Okay, just a minute. Rachit, you want to see the sum or the solution? Solution. Okay, fine. Just a minute, बच्चे. ठीक है. So this is the complete sum. Fine. Yeah. Now close your ledger. ठीक है. Come to the credit side. 1,13,000 plus 2,33,300 plus 950 plus 26,500 plus 53,000. So my answer is 4,23,750. 4,23,750. Let me see the debit side. 39,500 plus 1,000 plus 21,000 plus 3,10,000 plus 4,000 plus 12,000 plus 3,500. So 3,91,000. Okay. So obviously the credit side is more. 4,23,750. 4,23,750. 4,23,750. Okay. And the balancing figure is just a minute, minus 4,23,750. Balancing figure is 32,750. Okay. 32,750. Okay. So what is this? This is my profit and loss in my branch. Okay. So that's my P&L. So this is the balancing figure. So right here, to P&L account. समझ में आया? Is the sum clear to everyone? Okay, I hope you are noting it down. Okay, take a look, have a look over the question, note down करो तब तक. Okay, now let us come to the next question. Okay, question number 3. From the following details, prepare Mumbai branch account. So we have to prepare a branch account of Mumbai, and it's for the 6 months ended 31st December 2019 after depreciating branch furniture at 20% per annum. Fine. So just remember we have to pass this entry of depreciation. मतलब उनको depreciation दिखाना है. Next, see opening branch assets. तो branch stock, petty cash, furniture, datas. ठीक है. Next, opening branch liability, branch outstanding expenses एक ही है. Goods sent to branch, petty cash sent to the branch. Okay. Branch expenses paid by HO, remittances received from branch, closing branch balance of assets. Huh? So branch stock 24,000, branch petty cash 4,000 and branch datas 34,000. ठीक है. Okay. Then closing balance of branch outstanding salaries 1,400. Okay. So let us prepare. Yeah. A branch account. Okay. Let us start. Mumbai branch account. Mumbai branch account. What you will write in the books of HO. ठीक है. Same particulars amount, particulars amount. Start with opening balance of assets. Okay. What do you have in opening balance of assets? Branch stock 20,000. See, I was telling you about this. You can write it in the inner column. Yeah, and take it in the outer. Branch petty cash 6,000. Next, branch furniture 26,000. Branch furniture 26,000. Then branch data is 30,000. Okay, like this. Just note it down. Okay. Next, branch opening liability. So write it here. By opening liability. Yeah, opening balance of liability. So what is the name? Outstanding expenses 1,000. Outstanding expenses 1,000. Next, closing balance of branch. Yeah, closing balance of assets. We should have exactly the same thing. Stock, petty cash, furniture. Stock, petty cash, furniture, and datas. Okay, so branch stock is how much? 24,000, 4,000, and 34,000. Branch stock 24,000. Petty cash, branch petty cash 4,000 and debtors 34,000. ठीक है, so this much is given. Okay, furniture ka what you will do, furniture ka they have said something, some information that the furniture depreciation will be at 20% per annum. ठीक है, तो क्या करो ना, डायरेक्टली कर लो, directly. What was the opening balance of furniture? 26,000. So 26,000 less 20%. Okay, 26,000 less 20 plus the percentage sign. So 20,800. इस फर्नीचर वाला पार्ट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? समझ में आया? फर्नीचर इज अंडरस्टूड? ओके, नेक्स्ट. क्लोजिंग बैलेंस ऑफ लाइबिलिटी, आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंसेस, सैलरीज कितना? 1400. सो राइट इट हियर. To closing balance of liability, outstanding expense, that is with respect to salary, is how much? 1400. Okay. ठीक है. Next, goods sent to branch account. So branch account debit to GSTB. Okay, branch account debit to GSTB 1,80,000. So branch account debit to GSTB 1,80,000. नेक्स्ट, पेटी कैश सेंड टू ब्रांच. ओके, तो ब्रांच को पैसा दिया है, किसने दिया होगा? ऑब्वियसली, हु मस्ट हैव गिवन दिस मनी टू ब्रांच? एनीवन? Who has given this money to branch? Anyone? Obviously HO, right? HO has given the money to the branch. Okay, क्यों दिया? So that branch expenses, petty cash expenses, yeah bhube, branch petty cash expenses can be met. That's the only reason it has been given. Okay. Okay, so what would be the journal entry for this? Petty cash sent to the branch. What can be the journal entry for this, students? Anyone? What could be the journal entry for this? Petty cash sent to branch. In short, branch is only making the payment. For HO, what it is? Outgoing of cash. The HO will write to cash. Branch will write branch account debit to cash. Okay? Yeah. So right here. Branch account debit to cash bank because petty cash sent to branch 16,000. ना लिख दो petty cash sent to branch. Next, branch expenses paid by HO. Okay, now who's paying this? HO is paying it. Okay, same entry, branch to cash bank, 34,000. Reason you can mention branch expenses paid. Branch expense paid by HO. That's it. Remittances received from branch. Okay, now who has remittances received from the branch? मतलब एचओ को पैसा मिला है तो कैश बैंक टू ब्रांच, कैश बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू ब्रांच. Okay, what is the value? 2,32,800. Okay, that's it. So whatever entries you're passing students, you have to think from HO point of view. पैसा किसके पास आ रहा है और पैसा किसके जेब से जा रहा है. These are the two things that you are going to keep into picture. Okay, so just note down all this and you'll have to close this ledger. Okay, 20, let's see, 24,000 plus 4,000 plus 20,800, 34,000, 2,32,800, 1,000, 3,16,600. Let's see this side is how much. 20,000 plus 6,000 plus 26,000 plus 30,000, 82,000. 82 के बाद प्लस 1,80,000 प्लस 16 प्लस 34 प्लस 1,400, 3,13,400. और ये कितना है 3,16,000. तो ये ज़्यादा है. दिस साइड इज ओनली मोर. 3,16,600, 3,16,600. ओके, माइनस 3,16,600, 3,200. This is to P&L account. Okay, so just have a look over the question sum. Sum is clear to everyone? समझ में आ रहा है? ठीक है.